Hey guys, welcome back to a new video from Upstate Garage, and in today's video we're going to be assembling the Mustang, getting some stuff put back together and doing a full paint correction on the car. We're going to buff everything out so it's going to look spotless. New day, it's kind of rainy and stuff, but we're inside, we're working, we're gonna start buffing out the car. Alright guys, so I just finished buffing out the bumper and now I'm actually going to start putting it all together. So let's do another time lapse. out how this front bumper's coming out. We got the lower grill, upper grill, turn signals. Those vents stay there. Started getting everything together. Now we got that bottom lip right here. So let's install this thing and see how the bumper looks. Maybe mock it up on the car, but we'll see. Alright guys, check it out. The front bumper is completely assembled and man, it looks really good and aggressive with that lower lip on there. All the grills are on there, turn signals are on there. But the last thing I'm gonna do for today is actually get these vents on here. I did paint them black. Alright guys, so we're starting a little flag collection going. We got some more coming in soon. Check this out. I'm actually doing some texture coating right here. Got some black trim, or trim black. I'm about to mask it off with some paper and start shooting. It's gonna look OEM. All right, so right now I'm gonna just shoot a black coat of paint on it, so that way we can actually see how the texture lays down and how it looks on it. So. All right guys, so now I'm using the textured coating and I'm gonna try to match the OEM trim. I heard the farther you shoot it, the better it gets, so. Alright, so we're gonna let the texture coating dry a little bit, and then we're gonna hit it again with some trim black. Alright guys, check that out. Let me remove this tape. Well, I'm happy to say that came out really good. Alright guys, so this is the end of today's video, and if you enjoyed today's video, subscribe to the channel down below. Hit the thumbs up button, help me out. Like the video, share with some friends, and probably in the next video I'm going to be going to the Z-Max drag strip for Streetcar Takeover in Concord, North Carolina. So if y'all want to see some cool cars, some racing happen, subscribe down below. And follow me on Instagram at Upstate Garage if you're not already following me. And I upload at least once a week, so subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.